Well, Dane County is poised to end all of its COVID restrictions starting tomorrow.
Anyone who is fully vaccinated will have the choice to wear a mask inside a public place, and capacity and gathering limits will also be lifted. But businesses can still choose to require masks.
Dr. Bill Hartman is the principal investigator of UW Health's AstraZeneca trial. We're having a little technical difficulties here, so we're going to ask a question. Producers are going to type the question in, and then doctor will answer the call. So what does the mandate ending in Dane County mean? Can we drop the masks?
If you're fully vaccinated, yes, absolutely. We can drop the masks, especially when you're around other people that are fully vaccinated, inside, outside. It's okay to drop the masks and try to get back to normal.
A lot of experts say don't rush to victory yet, but it appears that many people are acting now like this is over. What say you about that?
I do think that too many people are acting like this pandemic is over, and that is a concern. Only about 50% of the people in the U.S. have been fully vaccinated, but it does appear that more than 50% of people are walking around without their masks on. So we still have to be vigilant. We still have to be careful. We know that there are variants that are still creeping into our country, into our state. We have to be careful with those and keep our most vulnerable people protected as we go forward.
How could we convince those that don't want to be vaccinated to get the vaccine?
Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's hard to convince people who are very anti-vax that they're going to need vaccinations. But what we can do is the people who are hesitant because of fears of the vaccine, because they want to see how the vaccine plays out over time, we know that we can talk with them, we can reason with them, we can let them know the results of the effectiveness and the safety of these vaccines so that we can get them to get that shot in their arm and keep themselves protected and their families protected.
How are your young children doing after receiving their vaccines?
My kids are doing very well, thanks. Both Sam and Jack had zero side effects after their first shot. Both of them played hockey the next day. They were good to go. They're just excited this week to get their second shot, and then in 2 weeks, kind of when their summer camps start up, they're going to be ready to play with their friends and really be kids again.
Be kids again. That is so important. Doctor, thanks for being with us today, and thanks for putting up with our technical difficulties.
Sorry about that. Thanks for your patience.
You.
Great to see you.